Look around. Everyone's strutting through life like they're in a boardroom funeral. Stone-faced, scripted, scared shitless of cracking a smile. Why? Because you're doing it too, and it's killing your vibe. You wake up, check your phone, scroll through feeds of perfect lives, and bam, your mind's already in lockdown. Serious mode activated. No risks, no fun, just grinding like a robot on autopilot. But here's the raw truth. You're not serious. You're terrified. Terrified of failing, of looking dumb, of what Aunt Karen thinks on Facebook. This is the truth. That serious facade? It's a bullshit shield. You act all buttoned up to hide your insecurities, but it repels real connections. People smell the fake from a mile away. Your friends, they're bored. Your dates, ghosted. Your career, stagnant as hell. Society trains you for this crap from day one. School drills, be professional. Jobs demand corporate speak. Social media rewards filtered perfection. Result? You become a walking zombie, suppressing your wild side until you're numb inside. Ever wonder why depression rates are skyrocketing? Spoiler, it's this fake-ass seriousness sucking the joy out of your soul. The third thing you will harshly realize is that you're using seriousness as an excuse to stay small. I can't chase that dream. Gotta be responsible. Bullshit. It's fear dressed in a suit. Meanwhile, the bold ones, the entrepreneurs, artists, rebels, they laugh their way to success because they ditched the act. But here's how you flip it. Use their seriousness against them. Spot it in others, the stiff postures, the scripted small talk, and exploit it. Be the outlier. Crack a joke in that tense meeting. Share a raw story on your feed. Show up unfiltered. That contrast, it makes you magnetic. People crave authenticity in a sea of seriousness. It's your secret weapon to stand out, build alliances, and crush goals. Next time you feel the urge to play it safe, pause and ask, what if I just said fuck it and went real? Watch doors fly open. Stop acting serious or stay invisible forever. Your move, don't screw it up. Never forget to turn on the notification bell and like the video.